How to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it, 2026. It's a common panic. You're logged into Instagram on your phone, but you can't remember your password to log in on a new device. Because of security encryption, the Instagram app will not show you your password in plain text inside its own settings. However, your phone or browser likely saved it for you. Here is the official 2026 guide to finding that hidden password without having to reset it. Method 1. On Android, Password Manager. Most Android users have their passwords synced to their Google account automatically. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Google. Tap Manage your Google account. Slide the top menu to the right and select Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Password Manager. Search for Instagram, verify your identity, and tap the eye icon to reveal your password. Method 2. On iPhone, iOS setting. If you use an iPhone, your password is likely stored in your iCloud keychain. Open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on passwords. You'll need Face ID or Touch ID to enter. Use the search bar at the top to type Instagram. Tap on the account, and then tap the dots/asterisks in the password field to reveal the plain text. Method 3. Using Google Chrome, Mail, or desktop. If you've ever logged into Instagram via a web browser, Chrome has its own vault. Open the Chrome app. Tap the three dots right on Android, bottom right on iPhone. Select Settings Password Manager. Search for Instagram.com and tap the eye icon. What if it's not saved anywhere? If you checked all three places and it's not there, Instagram security prevents you from seeing it. You have two options in 2026. Check your saved login, go to Instagram Settings, Account Center, Password and Security, Saved Login. If this is on, you can log in on this device with one tap, even if you don't know the password. The Account Center fix. Since Instagram is now tied to Meta, you can go to your Facebook settings Account Center. Often, if your accounts are linked, you can change your Instagram password from Facebook without needing the old Instagram password. Expert security warning. Never use Instagram password cracker websites or apps. In 2026, these are exclusively used to steal your account or install spyware. If it's not in your phone's official password manager, the only safe way forward is a password reset via your registered email or phone number. By following these steps, you've checked the digital vaults where your phone hides your secrets. If this video helped you find that lost password, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 security tips. Did you find it in your Google or iCloud settings? Let me know in the comments.